You should go now. You should go now. You should go now. You should sleep. You should sleep. You should sleep. How should I know? How should I know? How should I know? Where should we go? Where should we go? Where should we go? You should know it. You should know it. You should know it. You should exercise. You should exercise. You should exercise. What should I do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? You should apologize. You should apologize. You should apologize. You should work hard. You should work hard. You should work hard. You should stay in bed. You should stay in bed. You should stay in bed. You should quit smoking. You should quit smoking. You should quit smoking. We should be very careful. We should be very careful. We should be very careful. You should take my advice. You should take my advice. You should take my advice. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. I should have come earlier. I should have come earlier. I should have come earlier. Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? You should give up smoking. You should give up smoking. You should give up smoking. I should not have said that. I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. Should I reply to his letter? Should I reply to his letter? Should I reply to his letter? When should I return the car? When should I return the car? When should I return the car? Maury should have arrived by now. Maury should have arrived by now. Maury should have arrived by now. How much should I pay for that? How much should I pay for that? How much should I pay for that? Julie should be here any minute. Julie should be here any minute. Julie should be here any minute. Where should I put my baggage? Where should I put my baggage? Where should I put my baggage? Where should I put my laundry? Where should I put my laundry? Where should I put my laundry? Do you think I should go alone? Do you think I should go alone? Do you think I should go alone? Drivers should wear seat belts. Drivers should wear seat belts. Drivers should wear seat belts. You should always do your best. You should always do your best. You should always do your best. I think that we should try again. I think that we should try again. I think that we should try again. You should rewrite this sentence. You should rewrite this sentence. You should rewrite this sentence. You should take care of yourself. You should take care of yourself. You should take care of yourself. I lost my ticket. What should I do? I lost my ticket. What should I do? I lost my ticket. What should I do?